All right, here's Bacon getting some scratches. Here you go, buddy. You're all right. He doesn't like it when they stop. He'll do this. What's up, buddy? You want some more? Yeah. There you go. There you go. How's that? It's pretty good, eh? What are you trying to say, old boy? Is there trouble at the mill? All right, then. Till next time, Bacon.